Stella Jones!
We have an eviction notice.
Do they think we're gangsters or something?
Decline.
You can't stay here.
I promise you, I will write us out of here.
No, don't promise. Just try.
Toby's back in the free world. God help us all. God, I've missed you.
Life's shit without me, isn't it?
I suppose you need money.
Thank you.
Take it upstairs.
Oh, come on, stop being an asshole.
What are you working on?
An undercover project at a peep show.
Well,
I will make Iris proud.
I've got to hand it to you. You don't die easy. Toby just got out of prison for protecting Costello.
Were you together?
No, I'm a classical homosexual.
I think you're mental.
I'm mental, am I? You're a lunatic!
You're both crazy. I'm only 10, you know.
I love you. She can't grow up in all this. Ooh, put the music back on.
Fuck you. You got me.
Maybe this is who I'm supposed to be.
Just don't take Iris away from me.
It's completely normal to hate the people you love.
Would you ever lie to me?
Yeah, of course I would. I love you.
You gotta be cruel to be kind.